Sup everyone, this is Elijah with Financial Anatomy, coming at you with another video that'll help you take control of your financial destiny. It's all about apps that involve money and personal finance on this channel, and we're going to be talking about the Revolut app, specifically how can you link a debit card to your account. So let's go ahead and get started by opening the app up. And you'll want to click on Add Money. Once you've clicked on that, you'll have the option to change the method that you can use to add money with. So you want to click on that button and click on Add Debit Card. Keep in mind that this will also add money instantly, which is a plus. Next, you just add the card information that you want to add. You'll then be taken back to the home screen, and this next part is important because you want to be able to add the maximum amount of money you can using this new method. Click on Add Money again, and you'll see an exclamation mark next to your card potentially. If you do, just click on it, and it says Link Card Unverified. You want to click on that information icon or the eye icon right next to it, then click on Verify Card. This next part is important. Revolut will deposit 1 or 2 cents onto the debit card that you just linked, and they want you to actually input the account number, or rather the last 4 digits of the Revolut account number that's shown on that deposit. So you need to go to your bank account that's linked up with that debit card and see the last 4 digits of the account number that Revolut has deposited from. And once you have that information, just input it on the screen and this process will be complete. Once you've done that, hit continue. Once you've done that, this method will be verified and the amount of money that you can add using it will increase. And as we see, the debit card has now been linked. That does it for this video. If you have any other questions or comments, feel free to leave them in the comment section below. Don't forget to subscribe if you're new and give this video a thumbs up if you found value in it. I'll catch you in the next video. Don't forget to get out there and take control of your financial destiny.